staying in Christ is not an option, it's a must. Because where else do you know? Where else do you know? Like, where do you really want to go to? I hear people say, God did not do this for me, so because of that, I'm giving up. The question is, you're giving up to go to where? You're giving up to go to where? You came from that place. It was not sweet enough. It was not good enough. That was where you left. Now you're going back to that place to do what? No. How do you think the enemy will receive you? He will just spread his arms wide and say, welcome, welcome. Because see, you know why you are even a threat or a danger to that place you're going back to? Because you have too much information. You have too many information against the devil. And no leader wants to feel uncomfortable with his subordinates. Because you have too much information about or against the darkness, that you will feel just uncomfortable, because as you're there, you'll be feeling superior.